Welcome to Python series. In this video we are going to learn about if-else statement. So shall we start writing a program? No. So let us start with writing a very normal English sentence that uses if and else word. So as you know that if and else are just two English words, and in Python programming this is just going to work like a normal English if and else word that you use in a sentence. So if I write something like this: go to the bakery, and if you find fresh bread, get me one loaf, else buy a cake. So as you can see, these two words are going to decide what the user is going to do. If he finds the bread to be fresh in the bakery, he will buy one loaf, and if the bread is not fresh, then he will buy the cake. So if and else are the deciding factor. So similarly, in our program that we are going to use if and else is going to work based on the conditions, and when the if condition is true, it will work on a bunch of code that we will write. Otherwise it will go to the else loop and do some more action that we define in the else part of the code. So if we write a syntax for our program that we ask for some conditions, if true, do this, else do this. Okay, so if the condition is true that we are asking here, if this is true, this will be done, otherwise this will be done. Okay, we are providing a condition and we are checking the condition here in the if part, and if it is true, the program is going to do this, otherwise it will do this. As simple as that. So let us write an actual program. Let's say we are going to create a user login where the user is asked for his username and password. So user is equal to input, because we are asking the user, so we are using the input command. Enter your username. Okay, password, input, enter your password. So if we run this program right away, what it will do, it will ask the user for his username and password. Let's try that. So I have saved this program. Let's run it, and the first line is running. It is asking you the username, enter my name, the password 3456, and the program will do nothing because there are no further instructions. So let's use if else now. If user is equal to, and for example the correct username is Hashim. Okay, so we will supply it here. This is the correct username. So if the user is correct, we have to now provide a code that will tell what the program has to do when the username is correct. We have matched the username here. If user, which is stored here, when the user inputs his username, it will be stored in the user. So the user is now compared with the correct username. Okay, so if it is true, let's say we simply print welcome user. Okay. Now what if someone enters anything other than Hashim? Okay, so that will go under else part. Else print. We are not touching the password thing here, we'll do it later. So what shall we print? Incorrect user name. Okay, so I think that is good enough for now. Let's run the program. Enter your username. Let us enter the correct username. Enter your password. Anything, we are not doing anything with the password. So it says welcome Hashim. Hashim is printed from this user. Okay, now let's enter the incorrect username. Anything else? Password. Incorrect username. The program is going into the else part. Okay, so I think we are clear with if and else statement. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.